Hello children, we are going to start with practice set 5.3. Question 1. Write sample space S and number of sample points NS for each of the following experiments. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write N of A, N of B and N of C. One die is rolled. So when you roll one die, you know that numbers are from 1 to 6. So sample space will be S equals to, in curly bracket we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, N of S equals to 6. Condition for event A, even number on the upper face, A is 2, 4, 6, even number. So 2, 4 and 6 are the even number. Therefore, N of A equals to 3. Condition for event B, odd numbers on the upper face, 1, 3 and 5. So N of B will be equal to 3. 3 numbers are there. Condition for event C, prime number on the upper face. C is 2, 3 and 5. So N of C is 3. I'm sure very simple problem it was first. Next, two dice are rolled simultaneously. Here the sample space will be such that three conditions are given. We'll see later on. Here two dice are rolled simultaneously. So what will happen? Either 1 and 1 will come, or 1, 2 may come, or any other number may come. So here the sample space will be like that. And simple way of writing this is 1 on the first die, second die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then second you can write 2 on the first die, second die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this you can go from first die 3, 4, 5, 6 and other die 1, 2, 6. So it will go very easy, and altogether 6 in one row. So there will be 6 into 6, 36. So N of S will be 36. So sample space will be of 36. Condition for event A. The sum of the digits on the upper face is a multiple of 6. You see in those table NS sample space, you will come across 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 6. They are in multiple of 6, their total. Therefore, NA equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of A event will be 6. Condition for B. The sum of the digits on the upper face is minimum 10. Minimum 10 it must be. So 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 6, 11. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 5, 11. 6 plus 6, 12. Here minimum word, maximum, less than, you have to take care of the same. Therefore, N of B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of B equals to 6. Third condition is given here, the same digit on both the upper faces. So C event will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Therefore, N of C equals to 6. Next problem. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Now coins are there 3 times. So here the sample space will be such that according to that conditions we will work out, but here sample space will be all the 3 are head. First 2 are head, tail is at the end. Head is in the beginning and the last in middle. Tail came, head came, both the head came in the second and third. So first is tail. So here 3 head, first 2 head, then tail, first head, tail and head, and then first tail, head and head. Again, first head, 2 tails are there now. Then head goes in between, two tails are there, two tails come first bit, and then head comes, and then all tails are there. Apply the logic here. Only your tail is shifted from last to first. Your head is shifted from first to last, and then last all the tails are there. So n of s will be, total number of elements here are 8. So n of s is 8. Sample space is 8. Conditions very important. To get at least two heads, two head must be there. So in the above sample, find out where two heads are there. HHT, HTH, THH, and all three H, at least two head, means three heads are valid. Therefore, n of A equals to 4. Condition for event B, to get no head, means what? All must be the tail. So, event B will be only T, T, T. Therefore, n of B is 1. Condition for event C, to get head on the second coin. Head on the second coin. What is the condition of the first and third? We don't have to worry. But second means in between, head must be there. So head here for 3H, for 2H and T, head is in between. For T and 2H, H is in between. For THT, H is in between. So therefore, n of C is 4. Next problem. Two-digit numbers are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. Now here two digits is such that it will be 1, 0, not 0, 1. Because 0 will have no value, it will be 1 only. So no 0, 1, no 0, 2, no 0, 3, no 0, 4, no 0, 5. But 1, 0. So we'll come across the sample space. Here also what we will do, we will take first with 1 and 0. So 1, 0, 1, 1 repetition it will be. So not to take 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Next line 2, 0, 2, 1. Again 2, 2 will not come. Repetition it will be 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Similarly 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5. 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. Therefore, number of sample space elements are there 5 into 5, 25. Now, condition for event A, the number formed is even. Even numbers from you know very well how to find out. So, A will be 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. The total number of elements here are 13. So n of A is 13. 1, 3, 13. Condition for event B. The number formed is divisible by 3. In 3's table, whatever number comes, we can take or divisible by 3 as it is. Therefore, event B will be, elements will be 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 42, 45, 51, 54. The number of elements are here 9. So therefore, n of B is 9. Condition for event C. The number formed is greater than 50. Only the numbers which are greater than 50. Therefore, C event will be elements 51, 52, 53 and 54. So n of C is 4 only. Next problem. Now here the committee of men and women is to be formed from 3 men and 2 women. Environment committee of 2 persons, only 2 persons is to be formed. So let the 3 men be M1, M2, M3 and the 2 women be W1, W2. Out of this men and women, an environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. How to write the sample space, very important. S equals to M1, M2, both are men, first and second men. Then first and third men, and second and third men. So if only men's are there, then these three possibilities are there. Now, men 1 and woman 1. So, one gents, one ladies. So, M1, W1, M1 with W2. Men 1 will be with woman 1 or woman 2. Men 2 will also be with woman 1 or woman 2. And men 3 will be with woman 1 or woman 2. And last, 2 women can be in the committee, as 2 persons are there. So woman 1 and woman 2. So this number of sample space elements are 10. So n of s is 10. Condition for event A, there must be at least one woman member, one woman. So wherever all the men are there, that will not be there, and all other terms will be there. So here M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2, and W1 W2, both the women. At least one woman must be there. Here are both, so it will be considered. Therefore, n of A equals to, number is here 7. So n of A is 7. Condition for event B, one man, one woman committee to be formed. So here where 2 men are there, it will not be there considered, or 2 women are there, it will not be considered. So here all the other terms, M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W2, M3, here it must be here it must be 1, M3 W2. Therefore, n of B equals to 6. Condition for event C, there should not be a woman member. Only gents, only men must be there. So only 3 conditions are there, M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3. So n of C will be only 3. I'm sure this you have understood how to make a form of committee. Now one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. One is die which is having 6 possibilities, and one is coin which is having only 2 possibilities. So how to write the sample space? Very important. So sample space S equals to, if coin is thrown 6 times, possibility is there, 6 times head comes, 6 times tail comes. So numbers can be 1 to 6. So sample space here, H number 1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 means head on the top for the coin and dice number 1 to 6. Second, in condition, another possibility is such that tail on the top and on dice 1 to 6 number on the top. So tail T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6 can be there. Therefore, n of S will be sample space, number of sample space will be 12. Now condition is given. To get head and odd number, so H1, H3 and H5. Only 3 possibilities are there. Therefore, n of A is 3. Condition event for B, to get a head or tail and an even number. To get a head or tail and an even number. So even number must be there. Head and tail both are accepted. So H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. So here are the 6 elements. N of B will be 6 elements. Condition for event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7. Now dice is having 6 only. greater than 7, and tail on the coin. Tail on the coin can come, but number 7 or greater than number 7 can't be there. So the greatest number on the upper face of a die is 6. Therefore, the event C is an impossible event. Therefore, C equals to null set. Here, empty set. Curly bracket, we will write empty, nothing to write there. Therefore, n of C is nothing is written, means n of C is 0. With this, we come to an end of practice set 5.3. In the next video, we are going to see practice set 5.4. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a nice day.